Are you looking for the best vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum. This Roomba 692 is noticeably more powerful than the old one and has no problem moving back and forth, up and down, between rugs and hardwood floors. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, and with the iRobot app, the machine can be told to clean, go to its dock, or one can enter a schedule to tell the vacuum when to go to work. Overall, I find this new Model 692 to work the best of any robot vacuum we've had. It has the most powerful suctioning, the longest lasting battery, and moves smoothly over multiple floor types. If you're like me and like help keeping up with the vacuuming, I recommend it. Connect to clean from anywhere with the Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum. The patented 3-stage cleaning system is specially engineered to loosen, lift, and suction everything from small particles to large debris from carpets and hard floors. Dirt Detect sensors alert the Roomba Robot Vacuum to clean more thoroughly on concentrated areas of dirt. Just press clean or schedule Roomba on the go with the iRobot Home app. At number 2. Cleanview Swivel Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. The Bissell Cleanview Swivel Pet gives you the outstanding performance you'd expect from an expert floor care company at a great price. It has specialized pet tools and features, so you know it's designed for homes with pets. The triple-action brush roll lifts, loosens and removes embedded pet hair, and its silk-like bristles work gently on hard floors to remove fine debris, while also keeping it contained with scatter-free technology. Just as its name suggests, the Cleanview Swivel Pet has swivel steering that gets around and under furniture and other obstacles in your home. Pair that with edge-to-edge cleaning capabilities, and you can clean with confidence that you're getting more with each pass, giving you a new outlook on convenient cleaning. Buying this product saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear. At number 3. Navigator LiftAway Professional Vacuum. It pulls the dirt out of next week, I swear to you. Almost every use we have to empty the container, which makes me feel full of regret for not ordering it sooner, because it is clearly having to do the work of my old vacuum on our area rugs. It transitions between the floor types with a quick click, and the wand and attachments are well stored and quickly accessible to make transitioning from floors to ceilings quick, when you find the giant cobweb and go OMG and need the wand like now. A lightweight 2-in-1 lift-away upright vacuum with a detachable pod for portable cleaning power. With the push of a button, lift away the pod and easily clean in hard-to-reach areas. This vacuum is also equipped with swivel steering for excellent control when maneuvering around furniture, and has a completely sealed system with a HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens. At number 4. Cyclone V10 Animal Cordless Stick Vacuum. The new Dyson V10 Animal Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is the most versatile handheld out there, with advanced whole machine filtration, Dyson's digital V10 motor, and 3 different power modes. There's no place dirt can hide. The Dyson V10 Absolute Cordless Vacuum comes equipped with the new torque drive cleaner head, which drives bristles deeper into the carpet to remove even more dirt. It removes 25% more dust than the Dyson V8 vacuum. No cord to unravel, plug in, or drag around, restricting your reach. You can quickly and easily clean when you need to. The trigger releases instantly, so battery power is only used for cleaning. The Dyson V10 Animal delivers up to 60 minutes of fade-free suction when using a non-motorized tool and 20 minutes with the torque drive cleaner head. The Dyson V10 Animal features a new hygienic dirt ejector to drive out trapped dust and debris in single action. There's no need to touch the dirt. The center of gravity is located towards the grip for easy, lightweight cleaning up top, down below, and in between. The wand quickly detaches for handheld cleaning, and the tools fit directly to the machine. Dyson V10 Animal uses patented 14 cyclones, a post-motor filter, and a sealed system to ensure that the air that leaves the machines is cleaner than the air you breathe. Also includes extra Dyson-engineered tools for homes with pets, like the Mini Soft Dusting Brush, Mini Motorized Tool, Crevice Tool, and a combination accessory tool. The Mini Soft Dusting Brush is perfect for gentle dusting around the home, like keyboards and delicate items. The Mini Motorized Tool has stiff nylon bristles to remove pet hair and ground and dirt from furniture, car seats and tight spaces. Mini Motorized Tool will remove pet hair and dirt from carpet and upholstery. At number 5. E4 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. I now have less cleaning to do. The suction power is great and it picks up really well, even things like dust and pet hair. The sensor works great and the RoboVac knows when to increase suction power when on a carpet/rug. The battery life is excellent. It was able to vacuum my kitchen, living room, hallway and bathroom. I've never seen it at 60% or lower, to be honest. Overall, I'm extremely happy with my buy. If you're looking for budget robot vacuum that cleans and has decent features, I definitely recommend the Roborock E4. At number 6. VacMop Pro Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum Mop. I have all hardwood floors. I was using a standard broom and mop before and this saves so much time. I love the ease of use and the ability to vacuum and mop at the same time. It's lightweight and has a light that makes corners easy. Shark VacMop Pro combines powerful suction and spray mopping in one disposable pad. Vacuum dry debris, absorb wet messes, and toss the pad. Features headlights, magnetic charger for disposable pads, and 12 ounces bottle of multi-surface hard floor cleaner. At number 7. Intuition BU4022 Bagged Upright Vacuum. I own a fairly new bagless vacuum cleaner. The reason why I switched from bagless to a bagged vacuum cleaner was because, when you go to empty a bagless vacuum in your house, the dirt and dander you just vacuumed gets back into your home. Yuck. I could not take it anymore, so I have gone back to a bagged vacuum, and I am so happy to not have to deal with the dirt in my face when I empty the vacuum. The Kenmore Intuition is solid and built nicely and very versatile. For the price of the vacuum, I am impressed with the ease of use and great features. It has a great touchless bag feature and multiple attachments. I feel like the air quality in my home is so much better after vacuuming with this vacuum. At number 8. Vertex IZ483H Cordless Stick Vacuum. Over the years I've used a lot of vacuums. I've always had large dogs, hate dog hair, and vacuum a few times a week, so always in pursuit of the best vacuum that's easy to use. Well, I've found it. Shark is my fave brand anyway. I own 2 of the large numbers for deep cleaning, and I had one of the early cordless models for easy pickups and dog hair. Now, I only need one my new cordless Shark. It folds down and stores more easily than any other I've owned. It is lightweight, and the swivel head W/light is highly maneuverable in and around furniture legs, and even under furniture. It picks up anything in its path and moves easily between hardwood, tile and carpet. Plus I can hit all the main areas in my house on a single charge. I've not even bothered using my big Sharks since I purchased this cordless one. At number 9. Featherweight Bagless Stick Vacuum. It's so tiny and light and thin, you'd think it would be bad. But it's great. I bought it for work in a preschool classroom. We use it every day over the carpet and tiled areas. It picks up really well and is so light it's easy to move around, push and swivel. My co-worker liked it so much, she bought one for her home. Need something light that works? This is it. The Featherweight Lightweight Stick Vacuum gives you convenient and effective cleaning on carpets, area rugs, bare floors, stairs, upholstery and more. It easily converts from a stick vacuum to a hand vacuum to clean anywhere in your home. Because the Featherweight is ultra lightweight and compact, it is easy to use and easy to store. At number 10. WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. We're here to help. It's versatile, we mean it. Just clean your floors in your home with the Eureka WhirlWind Multi-Surface and Lightweight Canister Vacuum. The long telescopic metal wand makes navigating around furniture a breeze. The onboard 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush cleans your windows, corners and places under furniture, time-saving features such as the easy-to-empty dust cup, automatic cord rewind all improve your cleaning efficiency dramatically. The washable filter and 2.5L dust cup reduces emptying frequency between uses while saves your money of maintenance. The extended cot expanded your cleaning reach greatly. At number 11. Dusbuster Handheld Vacuum. The perfect balance of portability and cleaning capacity, the Black Plus Decker Dusbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum is your go-to tool. Thanks to the increased bowl capacity, you'll be able to clean all around your home without having to empty it as frequently. Lightweight and portable, this hand vacuum is equipped to handle tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas, featuring design elements like a crevice tool and push-in brush. The wide mouth quickly and easily scoops up larger debris, while cyclonic action keeps the suction powerful and consistent. When you're finished, the translucent, bagless dirt bowl empties in seconds. At number 12. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Carpet Cleaner. Just like you, we love our pets, but eventually, every pet makes a mess. Whether it's tracked in mud or even accidents, Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro handles tough pet messes thanks to the exclusive Pet Pro cleanup system. The system includes Clean Shot pre-treated to remove spots and stains, the 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool to remove pet hair, stains and odors from upholstery, a trial size of Bissell Professional Pet Urine Eliminator Plus Oxy, and an easy clean brush roll cover to make maintenance of the machine easy. Plus, Deep Clean Mode offers powerful cleaning to out-clean the leading rental, and carpets dry in about 30 minutes with Express Clean Mode. All of this cleaning power comes in a lightweight and maneuverable machine with a low-profile foot that gets under furniture. With the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro, you have everything you need to take on tough pet messes. Buying this product saves pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a Bissell product, you help save pets too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors and pet homelessness disappear. Surface type: low pile carpet, stairs, upholstery, carpet, area rugs, pet beds.